Yan guys, tapos na akong nagtanim ng sitaw, bataw, patani, kandul, patula, upot, kalabasa. Yan. Yan, tapos na akong nagtanim ng sitaw. Sitaw na mulagat. Ayan guys. Dala-dalawa ito. Hindi ito yung sitaw na mahahaba Ito yung sitaw na tudo. Ang tawag nila sa Ilocano ay tudo, mulagat. Yan guys. Ganyan ang pagtanim namin. Yan. Diba? Yan yung tubes na pag-anuan ng tubig. Ayan. Nasa pagitan lang nila. Ganyan siya guys. Ganyan na ang pagtatanim namin dito. Ng sitaw, bataw, patani. Dahil sobra na yung tanim namin. Yan. Marami na ang nilagay. Dala-dalawa na. O diba? Sana oil. Yan guys, ang tanim ko. Tapos na po yung tanim kong sitaw. Sitaw na maliliit. Mulagat daw sa Ilocano. O kaya tudo ang pangalan niya. Yan guys. Ayan oh. Makulimlim ngayon. Tapos ano siya. Mag-uulan na. Uulan na. O tingnan nyo yung fog. Mayroon na siyang fog. Ayan. Very cloudy ngayong araw. It's going to be rain. Oh my God. It's going to be rain na. Oh, tignan nyo. Ang kapal na ng fog doon sa mountain. Makapal na ang fog. Yan. Tapos na po ang pagtatanim. Kaya uwi na kami kasi ulan na. Yan, marami akong tinanim. Hanggang dun, oh. Yun. Uwi na kami kasi ulan na. Yes, I'm coming. Okay. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Juby wants to play. Yes, I'm coming. I'm coming na. I'm coming now.
You're coming, but you never come. What's the problem?
I'm coming now. Yan yung mga lettuce ko at kamatis. Yan guys.
Kupa na yan.
Yan akong galing kanina. Uwi na kami. Kasi ulan na. Uulan na guys. My goodness. Clear talaga nito. Yan guys. Oh, nagfa-fog na siya. Hindi nyo na makikita yung mountain. Yan. Pauwi na kami. Let's go, boss. I-close ko pa yung gate doon. And guys, dyan naman ako magtatanim ng sitaw na yung mahahaba. Dyan. Kaya lang hindi ngayon kasi uulan na. Sa ano yan, magtatanim ako dito ng sitaw yung mahahaba, yung sa end of May. End of May ako magtatanim dyan. Yan yung mga parsa ko. Kalatkatan na ilalagay ko pag ano. Ayan oh. Kapal na ng fog doon sa mountain. Ay, malamig na. Uwi na kami. And i-close ko lang itong gate kasi uwi na kami. Tignan nyo, ang ganda ng bulaklak ng plums at saka apricot. Yan guys. Much. Yan, umuulan siya guys. My God. Uwi na kami. Swipe po, swipe. Yan, swipe. Sobrang lamig na ngayon. Oh, it's have fog already there at the mountain. Foggy now, foggy. sigaro, boss.
I will throw it. I didn't smoke for a long time.
Eh, later then you smoke again, not now. I feel not good. I'm feeling vomiting.
I throw it.
I feel vomit, eh. Swipe off. Two.
It must be automatic. When rains are on the glass, it must...
Automatic.
Yes.
But now,
I don't know. We'll see. I put it.
yan, pauwi na kami, guys. Pauwi na kami. Gorastika, boss.
Me too. Me too.
My back is painful, my back.
As soon as you go, you get change. As soon as you reach the house, you are sweating. You are not. Don't
Sweat my
later
back.
on.
And I have also the periodo, pamayam.
Doesn't change. Now it's video and you say this there.
Yes, I put there. No, they don't understand. They understand? No, they don't understand.
Manam, manam.
Very clean. Very clear, boss. Look.
Yes.
Very nice, huh? It's very nice, nice. Bless you. Oh, there's a lot of water there down.
Yes, that's why the river is running now.
Road trip tayo, guys. Road trip. Pauwi na kami dun sa baba. Kanina nandun kami sa farm. Ngayon pauwi na kami. Kasi hindi maganda ang panahon. Pero dito maganda naman oh. Hindi masyadong malamig. Siguro. Dito kasi ako sa loob ng sasakyan. No rain here. At the mountain only have rain. Yeah, di boss here nothing. See nothing, no rain here.
In
Here in-
Moscow it's raining now.
Di mo sol.
Yes.
It's raining now. You call madam?
No, I call them in the morning.
In the morning start. Or no?
No, later on, maybe half an hour ago.
Okay. Naulan daw dun sa ano, sa bahay dun sa baba. Dito, ngayon lang nag-start. Pero dito naman sa gitna ng ano, way namin pa uwi, ano, wala naman oh. Clear. Boss, is clear here. No rain. It's just cloudy only.
The rain's going to start soon.
Tomorrow also is raining.
Yes.
I think on Friday is not rain. You don't open your shop so we can come and spray. You spray the fruit on Friday. Even half day in the morning, then in the afternoon.
Work really. I'll stop the work to come for spraying.
Yes, but you don't have time for spray.
What?
Gawit kami nakabsat nga nagurat. Puro bundok nakikita nyo, no? Ito ang way namin na pauwi sa baba. Ano siya? Mountain lahat yung mga dinadaanan namin. Pag malapit na kami sa town, saka mayroong mga ano, bahay, buildings. Pero dito maraming ano, puro mga ano na lang, mga puno, mga pine tree. Yan, may ulan dito kunti. Ganda dito pag pumunta ka ng mountain, ano siya, ganito ang makikita mo, magandang view. Pero sa Pilipinas, pupunta ka sa bundok, hindi maganda ang ano, dinadaanan mo ano, rough road pa. Raining they are starting again start growing again the kurta, the grass.
Of course.
Ay, we said we finished to spray the grass, now start again. No work, we said. Now start again to have work, spraying. I thought if you put the Parmago for seed, they are not coming up. But why they coming up there? Where the climata?
Because the The seed is coming again with the air.
Oh, it's not raining in Moros, boss. You see, it's very bright down. Dito na kami sa kalagitnaan. Pauwi. Gerasa Village here. Ne, boss? This is Gerasa Village. Yan yung mga bahay na yun. Parang bagyo lang ba? Supermarket. What time now? 11. 11:37. Not raining in Limassol. It's good there. many water there, boss?
It's sunny there.
Yes, it's sunny. Up the mountain only is not good. Lapit na kami sa katotohanan. Paramita Hirne.
Yes.
Paramita Village ito. Dami ng kabahayan dyan. Makita.
Gusto ko rin.
Hmm? Ay, nako. It's very hot there. Pasok pa andar yam ko ni. Mainit na ka dito. I don't feel vomit. I feel vomit. Very hot. heavy rain here, ano eh.
Huh?
Heavy rain.
Raining a lot here.
Now maybe stop.
Stop now.
Ayan yung mga ano. School ng Russian. Ayan. Russian school this one eh, boss.
Ukrainian.
Ha?
Ukrainian.
Ukrainian, not Russian. Ukrainian school. Ayan, Ukrainian school. Makita.
In the left side. The sign.
There is the sign. Here's Heritage. Another school here. Yan naman, Heritage School. Private yan. Malaki yan. Hindi lang kasi makita kasi nasa
Like this.
Yan, bye. Thanks for watching.